Let me show you how to make a YouTube video section at the top of the page. It's enough with only some basic Elementor widgets. As you can see, a movie title section can make your website looks more professional. Add a section. Firstly, let's add a video element to the section in general way. Keep the section selected, set the content width to full width. As you can see, even if you set it to full width, it has the left column margin. We can remove the white space by changing the content gap to no gap. Enter the YouTube video link. Enter the start and end time of the video. Set autoplay to on. Let me set to mute. Set loop on for playing repeatedly. Play controls set to hide. Lazy load set to yes. Let's check it on the front end. The title section is YouTube videos, it is played automatically. However, if you add like this, it is quite difficult to adjust the size of the video. Even height setting does not applied. So, the better way to add a video, is adding a video to the background the section. Delete the previous video. Select the section again. Let's change the height to default. Select the Styles tab. Select video as the background type. Add YouTube link and video link. Include the start and end time of the video. Currently, the size of the video is set to the default height of the section. Go to the Layout tab and change the height to min height. When you set the height of the section, it is set as much as the size. This time, we can modify the size of the section. Let me change it to 500 pixels. Check it on the front end. Click the Styles tab. Press the shape divider. Select bottom. Wave brush. As I showed you before, this is an effect on the bottom border of the section. Choose what you like. This video scene has a waves, so I set to wave. Change divider settings depending on a type of video. Let me change the video to waterfall. This is good for a travel, health or relaxing website. Match your website and type of video. Let me show you one more video. It's an aquarium video. Let's set to repeatedly show the part from 2030 to 2130 seconds. Go to the front-end website. Let me add a title text on the video. Let's add an intersection. Add a title text to the left column. Edit text color and font. Let me set it to the Kind font. Set the font size to 64 pixels. But font color is white, and the background image is bright color. Currently, readability is poor. So I'm going to add a black film between the background and the text. Select a section and click Background Overlay. Select Classic and click Color. Change the color to black. Set the opacity to 0.5. Now the text is clearly visible. The text and film color do not need to be black and white. Apply a variety of colors and palette. Add a text editor under the title. In the same way, edit the text and change the color to white. Set the font of order and the size to 18 pixels. Check it on the front end. The website looks lively than before.